Hello everyone, welcome back to another session on food microbiology. So the today topic is control of microorganisms using physical and the chemical agents. This is very important because controlling microbes is a key to ensuring food safety and quality. Let's dive in detail and let's quickly recall how do we identify spoilage in fermented foods and what slows down the spoilage in case of canned foods. Good. Today we'll go one step further. How do we actually control the microorganisms? So, that is what we are going to discuss today. And in this session, we'll be covering what is microbial control, physical and chemical agents that are used, their mode of action, and their application in the food industry. So, by the end, you'll clearly understand how industries keep food safe. Why is controlling microorganism important? Microbes cause food spoilage, they can lead to foodborne illness, and it can also result in reducing the shelf life of the product. If we take industries, it causes economic loss and also it affects the product quality. For consumer or the consumer perspective, safety and quality are top priorities. So microbial control is essential at every stage. Approaches to control microorganism. There are two main approach. One is going to be the physical agent, the other one is going to be the chemical agent. So the goal is basically simple. Reduce or eliminate harmful microorganism. And the other one is to ensure the food safety and stability. Physical agents are which controls the microbes without adding the chemicals. Examples include heat, cold, radiation, filtration, and drying. So if you see the advantage, there will be no chemical residue that is present and it is widely used in the food industries. So over this slide, let's understand how they basically work. If you take heat, they destroy the proteins and enzymes. In case of chilling or freezing, which is the low temperature, it's going to slow down the microbial growth. Radiation, it damages the DNA. Filtration, it is going to remove the microbes physically. And last one is drying. It's going to reduce the water activity, which is a favorable environment for the microbes to grow. So basically, microbes either die or stop growing under these mode of action. Then we have chemical agents. Now let's move to chemical agents. These include preservatives, disinfectants, and sanitizers, as you can see in the image. They are used to inhibit the microbial growth, to kill the pathogens, and to extend the shelf life. Chemical agents and their mode of action. Different chemicals act in different ways, as we all know. So if we see organic acid, they're going to lower the pH level. Preservatives inhibit the enzymes. Alcohol denatures or damages the cell membranes. Chlorine compounds, they oxidize the cells. Hydrogen peroxide produces free radicals. All these actions disrupt the microbial survival. So now we'll have a comparison. Physical agents, no residue, requires equipment used during processing, whereas chemical agents, they may leave residues, cost effective, used in processing and storage. So industries often use a combination of both. Application in food industry. Now let's see real-time applications. Milk, pasteurization plus addition of preservatives, whereas meat, chilling plus sanitizers. Fruits and vegetables, chlorine washing. Package foods, drying and preservatives. So what would be the final outcome? Safe, stable and the high quality product. Let's summarize. Microbial control is essential for the food safety. Physical methods control without the chemicals. Chemical methods are going to inhibit or kill the microbes. So both are used together in food industry. Understanding this helps us design better preservation techniques. Thank you for watching.